Hey guys, long time no see. It's Espen here at Ultramodern Pool and Patio. We're here for another Water Care Wednesday. Know it's been a while. I hope you guys are having the happiest of holidays. I just got a little present I definitely want to show you guys this week. So I know we've kind of talked about soft skin. It's been one of our beloved chemicals. I really kind of just want to go in depth with you guys on how soft skin works and why it's a great addition for your best experience in your hot tub. So the very first thing that we want to look at are the two main mineral components in soft skin. Everyone wants mineral water. It's natural, it's healthy, it's great. Two that we have inside of soft skin are silver and magnesium. Now with silver is an antibacterial. They've been using it for thousands of years. And silver is something to just keep that water clean, keep it fresh, you get less odors of the chlorine. Silver is a great choice. On top of that, you have magnesium. Magnesium is another mineral that people love in soft skin just due to the softness of the water. It really helps achy joints, lacerations, things like that. Really helps the body. Magnesium also will help with sleep. If you like to do that, soak in the tub before bed, little things like that. Magnesium is going to help you a ton. Now, soft skin also helps you guys save on money as well. Soft skin replaces every single chemical that you guys see down here. We start off with stain and scale control. The protection with soft skin is top tier. Then we kind of go to things like system flush. It also cleans the plumbing for you on a weekly basis. And then we've got phosphate remover. With the phosphate remover, it's going to do that on a weekly just to maintain. It's not a troubleshooter, so you might still need to use some phosphate remover. But as a maintenance, it helps you out in there too. Towards water clarifier, it's got that in soft skin, keeping it weekly, making sure that water stays crystal clear for you. And then this little bottle right here, it is actually just magnesium and some salt. People put that in. It does not have the scent. The soft skin does not have the scent like that does, which that's an ocean breeze, so it does not have the scent. However, it gives you the softness of the magnesium. And then lastly, we have the natural spa enzyme, just destroying odors, making sure that the water stays clear and safe for you guys. So with that being said, soft skin is a great present to pick up before Christmas, a great product for any type of hot tub. And if you guys have any questions, please do let us know. Again, this is Espen with Ultramodern Pool and Patio. Thank you.